Giveaway, giveaway, giveaway. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the serum that I'm going to share with you. But before that, I want to announce that I am also going to do a very nice giveaway. So do stay tuned till the end. I'm going to tell you what is the giveaway. It's a very good one. So do stay tuned. So what today's video is all about, as I did share with you, I think some days back, this video about 3 ways to get rid of pigmentation, melasma and dark spots. In that I shared with you one serum, and I was so surprised that a lot of you went ahead and bought it. This is the serum that I'm talking about, and I did share with you in my last video, and that was Go Blank Fade Out Pigment Correcting Serum. One more thing also, as I keep on telling you in my videos, that you don't need each and every serum that I recommend. Just try to understand why I'm recommending a certain serum, what are the ingredients, and do you need it or not, because I share like so many, right? You can't be purchasing all of them. Only those of you who have melasma, pigmentation, dark spots, or any acne or acne marks. So let's start, and the very first thing obviously is always about packaging, and this is a very classy packaging. I love it but obviously it's not all about packaging. Let's start with the packaging. So when you open it up, this is like kind of the lid that you get with it, and it does have a very nice protection for oxidation, so that your product doesn't get oxidized. It has this kind of small cap to it, and when you remove that cap, this pump gives me the same resemblance of 7-in-1 Olay Total Effect. And I love these kind of pumps because they give you much more control. You can control the amount of product that you need. Eventually I'm going to tell you even how much you need to apply this one. So do stay tuned, and whenever you apply, after that you just put this thing back into the pump like that. Close the lid. It gives a snapping sound that makes sure that it has been closed. And do store it in a cool, dark place, in a cupboard, and don't ever store your skincare ingredients in bathroom. I've seen many people, they store it in bathroom. Not good, because of the water vapors and the humidity and everything. Now let's talk about the ingredients, which are the star of this product obviously, and I always keep talking about ingredient. You need to know them. So the very first ingredient that it has is azelaic acid. I know a lot of you might have heard about it, or you might not have heard. It's okay, today you're going to hear about it. So it is an antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory ingredient, which helps especially those people who have acne prone skin, or who have active acne, or who have pimples. And I'm not talking about the teenagers only, even the adults do have adult acne, right? That we sometimes get around like that time of the month, like the hormonal acne, or it might be some other acne also. So all type of acne, it helps in that, and with that it also helps in future breakout, so that you don't break out in the future. Then the second ingredient it has is tranexamic acid. I don't know, a lot of you might not be aware about it, and it's okay. Tranexamic acid is a pigment inhibitor basically, so it will protect your skin from any kind of excessive melanin protection, and with that it helps in skin barrier protection. So a lot of you have been asking me that, okay ma'am, my skin is thinning, or my barrier has been compromised because I did a lot of exfoliation, or maybe some other reason. So you can incorporate tranexamic acid in your skincare routine. That will help in skincare barrier. Even niacinamide helps with that, and that is also there in this. Then is the third main ingredient, and that is 4-butyl resorcinol, and I know I might be pronouncing it incorrect. It prevents the activation of melanin producing cells. So what in our skin, there are certain cells which are known as melanocytes. So when they become active, that is the reason that we get to see a lot of pigment and pigmentation. So what this does is it actually stops the activation of that cell, so that no more pigment is produced. And if that happens, basically it would be working as a melanin inhibitor. So with that, what will happen is you will not get more of melanin, because normally melanin is such thing which has the tendency of rebounding, or the pigment always coming back. So with this, it will stop the activity of the cell only, which is producing the melanin. So that is such an awesome thing. Phytic acid also, which is fights the signs of aging and scarring. It's basically an AHA, and I have shared with you videos about chemical exfoliants also. They help in removing your topmost layer chemically, and which is much more efficient way of exfoliation. With that, it does have niacinamide, and I've already shared with you that also, that how beneficial niacinamide can be. Let's talk about the price of it. It is for 2100, and I know you might think that it's expensive, and I've talked that about in the previous video also, but what I would say is it's much more cheaper than all of the things that you've done to get rid of your pigmentation. So do give it a try, and with my discount Rachna 20, you're gonna get it like obviously you're gonna get 20% off. I'm going to give you the link down below where you can purchase it, how you can purchase. I'm gonna give the Instagram of handle of this brand, and with you can DM them. I'm gonna give their WhatsApp number also, you can WhatsApp them. I'm gonna give my Instagram handle also, which is Rachna Jinta. You can message me also if you have any concerns or anything else you want to know about the product. Now let's move on to how to use it, which is very, very important, and then we will go on to giveaway. So do stay tuned for the giveaway by the end of the video. If you have sensitive skin, I would recommend that you start with using it only once in a day. But if you have normal skin, you can use it twice a day. And what do? You wash your face, and after that you apply a little bit. Just let me show you a little bit the consistency, how it looks. And see, you don't need a lot of it. I took a lot of it actually because I want to show you, but it has such a high spreadability. You don't need a lot of it, just a little bit will do the job, and it lasts you so much. It's gonna easily last you 2 months for sure. So you just need tiny weeny. I took a lot. This much would be like good for 2 times. I took that much. So see how it looks. It looks like this off-white kind of serum. It's not that runny also. It's like a creamy consistency, like a moisturizer type of consistency. So lightweight that you will feel as if you have not applied anything. And see, immediately you can see. Can you see there is no sheen? No shine at all, how easily it got absorbed. And so now let's come to the interesting part, and that is all about giveaway. So I'm going to give away 2 people 2 things, and if obviously you will be commenting down below, and I will be checking your concern, and with that I'm going to decide. But what I'm going to give away is one person will be getting this fade out serum, that is the pigment correcting serum. One of you will be getting this worth 2100, and the other person is gonna get the retinol serum, which is the 0.8%, which is such a huge hit. Lot of you have bought it, and I have heard so many good reviews from you all, and so worth the try. It is 1800 and this one is 2100. So according, it doesn't matter about the price. Mainly what I'm going to decide is that who needs what. So now let's talk about the giveaway rules. Number 1, obviously you have to subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, comment down below any of the future video ideas that you want to see. I'm going to choose like which one I like the most, and then with that, do follow me on Instagram at Rachna Jinta, and do share the channel with more family, friends, and you can even send me the screenshots of that, and that would add brownie points. You can DM me those screenshots on my Instagram at Rachna Jinta, as I'm linking here, and then you follow Eclat. They also have Instagram page, that will also add another brownie point. So all these things you have to do, nothing much fancy. That's what. Share the videos, guys. I think more and more people need to know about, not about me, but basically about the products, about the information that we are giving out there, because I want people to be more about skincare ingredients basically, and anti-aging stuff. And also please share the videos, it's going to give you more brownie points. Do comment below. Do take care. I will see you in my next video. Bye.